Mr. Bendle, with respect, your passion for firearm control and regulation is obviously noted. However, this inquiry is focused on Conservation Hunting Bill and the control of invasive species on public land. Could you clarify what expertise or evidence you bring that directly relates to conservation hunting and feral animal management?
Is my background and experience relevant in this to the chair? Is that?
I think the question was in order. It was about the terms of reference of the inquiry. Yeah.
Okay,
So for context, do you support any form of hunting?
So sorry, what was your first question?
Well, the first, can you clarify what expertise or evidence do you bring that directly relates to conservation hunting and feral animal management? You, for example, just quoted a survey dealing with farmers. It's a survey, it's not a study. It obviously hasn't been peer reviewed, etc., etc. So,
I'm not sure about that.
What do you bring other than your advocacy, anti-gun advocacy, to this inquiry that relates to the bill?
Firstly, I'd seek to clarify that I've never been anti-gun. I've never made a public statement that vilifies any legal firearm owner or their ability to use a firearm. What I've said, and I've said again today, that I think governments making laws in this country need to put the public safety as the test and the public interest and not the commercial interest and the recreation interest of a few people.
Well, I've been listening to
so
your...
going back to, if I may continue to answer your question. It might surprise you, I've had a Victorian firearm licence for, I'm giving away my age, probably 45 years.
Well, I've had one longer, but anyway.
Well, I'm sure it's a, I'm not sure it's that sort of competition.
But do you support any form of hunting?
I support the legal activities of licensed firearm owners and others.
So do you acknowledge then that hunting in New South Wales is legal?
Yes.
And do you accept, and I don't actually, I didn't hear it in your evidence earlier, and certainly not from Ms Davies as well, that there's been safe programs, well controlled, well run, for nearly 20 years on public land already in New South Wales. Do you acknowledge that?
Safe hunting?
Yes. Conservation hunting on state forests in New South Wales have been run since February 2006. There's never been an incident.
Great.
Well,
are you aware of that?
Well, yes, I'm aware of that, absolutely.
Well, then how can you...
And I'm not sure, but I'm not aware that there's never been an incident.
Well, there hasn't been anyone shot on any public land in New South Wales ever.
No injuries?
Sorry, no injuries.